Welcome back guys to the channel. We're working on the 32. Gonna be doing a fuel pump.
Yep.
And fitting a relay to it so it's gonna send direct power to it. So we're just gonna unbolt all this and pull whatever fuel pump's in there out. I have no idea what's in there. And luckily the battery's already in the boot.
Yeah, it makes life heaps easier.
Yeah, so I've got Jamie here helping.
Very easy.
But yeah, we're putting a Walbro 460 in it. That's what I believe it is.
Yep.
Yeah. So just got the 10mm bolts. We'll undo all them and then all the 8mm and the fuel lines, and that whole thing should come out. And yeah, I've got the relay and all the wiring and everything to do it, so we'll go ahead and pull it all out now. So I'm just working on the Skyline, and there's like actual golf balls, like, I don't know if you can see it, like look at this, my 4SS, oh my god, that's real bad, so bad, oh my gosh, oh well, rest in peace. So on further inspection about this fuel pump, turns out it's already been done. It's had a relay mod. It's been hooked up to this rear relay here, I guess, because it's got a 25 det swapped into it, so you have to put it through a relay anyway and hardwire the fuel pump for it to work. So right now we're just going to be changing out the standard fan. It's got a GK Tech fan here and a hub, so you're gonna put that in, and yeah, so it's pretty easy. Just a few 10mm down there on the water pump. Yep. And swap that out. So got the fan out, and then it's got to unbolt the fan from the actual hub. So there's a few 10mm, and put the new one on. That's over there. So we've got it on here now. Got that adapter plate on, and it says on here front, so that goes pointing to the front. So that should be correct. Now he's got to put the bolts in and throw it back in the car. So yeah, really easy actually. Alright, so we got this, got the GK Tech fan and hub on there now, so that's all beautiful, and gonna do the shifter springs here now, so gonna have to come underneath the car here. So Jamie's got under here with a 27mm spanner, and if you look up in here, where are we at? Yeah, right there, there's a 27mm bolt there, and there's spring behind it.
Yeah, that sits up in there, like, that just stops your side to side movement on the stick.
Yep, so pull it out and you can see there's a spring there, and that just goes inside of there, and I'll put some GK Tech ones in with the heavy duty spring, so I'll show you that when we get the other side out. Alright, so we've got here the new, come on focus, there we go. So I've got the new one here, and I'm going to be using this spring here. It's pretty more beefy than the old one here. You can actually press this one in, whereas this one you can't. So it's going to be a lot more stiffer. But yeah, in the kit it do come with all sorts of different spring rates and stuff. But yeah, I'm just going to try this heavy. I think it's the strongest one there, but you can throw another one on top of it as well. But yeah, right now it's going to throw these up in there and see how they go. And just like that, they just go back in. So yeah, really easy, and I'll show you upstairs in a second how stiff it is. I should have shown you before, but it wasn't too bad before, but it's got a stupid short shifter in it as well, but we'll have a look. Alright, we'll come in here now. So I've got my shifter springs in there. Why does this take forever to, there we go. Got me GK Tech stick in there, and yeah, there's actually like a heap of spring pressure there, so I can just pretty much go second, just bang shift into third, and like yeah, that is just violent. We'll see how that goes, but if need be I can always just go and change it. But yeah, I've got all those other springs there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see what else I can do.